Okay, so let's take a look at how to use sum function in Neo4j. So this is one of the aggregate functions that you use to find out sum of values. So let's take a look at that. First thing, make sure to run Neo4j console, and if you already have background service running, just go to localhost 7474 and that should take you to your query editor. Now here what we'll do is we will basically create two values with nodes. Let's say create, and then I create one department named developer, and I have employee with name, let's say David, and he has salary of 4500. okay, and he's in year 2021. okay, and then next would be another employee from, let's say, department like management, right? So we will add that and name her staff, and salary, let's say 4400, and then here 2022. okay, and what we'll do is we will basically run these two, and once added these two nodes, we will try to find sum of all the similar nodes that have salary value. okay, so let's say match n colon and label employee, right, and then return sum with, let's say, value n dot salary. So all those nodes created which has this salary property will be returned with this summation. okay, so let's run this, and you will see sum of all the salaries from those nodes equals to 18900. okay, so not just these two, but any other node created before this will be also added in sum. So you get the idea how to use summation function with sum in Neo4j.